Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reset your Instagram feed and get the new suggestion feeds on your Instagram. So this is the new feature update rolling out from Instagram. So for this guys, first you need to update your app. Okay, after updating, open the app, go to your profile section. From here open the settings. In the settings guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option you can get the option content preferences. Just tap on it. From here you can easily able to reset the suggested content. Okay, so just tap on this suggested content, tap on next and finish the settings. Okay, that's it. Okay, so from here you can easily able to reset this. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.